Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for scheduling. This is incredibly useful for managing project timelines, tracking deadlines, and ensuring your team stays aligned on when tasks need to be completed. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's start by adding the columns you'll need for scheduling. First, look for the plus icon to the right of your last column header and click it. This opens up a menu where you can choose different column types. From this menu, select Date. This creates a date column where you'll be able to assign due dates to each of your tasks. It's a simple but essential step for keeping track of when things need to be finished. Now, click that plus icon again to add another column. This time, select Timeline from the Column Types menu. The Timeline column is what allows you to set both start and end dates for tasks, giving you a full view of how long each task will take from beginning to completion. Once your columns are in place, it's time to fill them in. Click into the date column cell for your first task. A calendar picker will appear, and you can select the due date you want. If you need to set a specific time as well, just click the clock icon that appears, and you'll be able to add that detail too. Next, click into the timeline column cell for the same task. Here, you'll pick both a start date and an end date using the calendar. This defines the duration of the task and helps you visualize how it fits into your overall schedule. Repeat this process for all the other tasks on your board so that each one has clear start, end, and due dates assigned. Now that your data is entered, let's switch to some more visual scheduling views. At the top right of your board, next to where it says Main Table, click the plus icon from the menu that appears. Select Gantt. This opens the Gantt chart view, which is perfect for visualizing your project timeline. You'll see all your tasks laid out as horizontal bars along a timeline, and if you've set dependencies between tasks, this view will show how they connect. If you prefer a calendar layout instead, click that plus icon at the top right again. Next to Main Table, this time select Calendar. This view displays all your tasks organized by date in a traditional calendar format, making it easy to see what's due on any given day. One of the most powerful features of the Gantt view is that you can drag the timeline bars to adjust dates on the fly. If you've set up dependencies between tasks, those will shift automatically when you move one task, keeping everything connected and logically sequenced. And that's it. You've now set up scheduling in Monday.com using date and timeline columns, and you know how to switch between Gantt and calendar views to manage your project timelines effectively. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.